Now get started with the English test with Emirates. First, if you got to this stage, congratulations. Only a few managed to get to this stage. This English test is basically meant to assess whether you can hold fluent and proper conversations with passengers, your reading skills, understanding skills, and language level. Because, as a flight attendant, you will use English every day to communicate with the passengers and other cabin crew. And cabin crew do write reports, especially when there was an incident on board. That's why being fluent in English is a must. Emirates has been changing the recruiting stages. Unlike in previous years, Emirates' English test is now composed of 30 multiple-choice questions. If successful in the second group activity, the recruitment team will send you the English test on your phone. Yes, they have moved from question papers, now the English test is done online, so please ensure you have enough mobile data and that your phone language is turned to English, because there is a time limit per question, so please make sure you take a minute or less when answering these questions. Read all the questions carefully and follow the instructions. Don't be indecisive. Once you choose the answer you think is correct, please go to the next question and don't keep thinking about the previous question. The first 18 questions, you will be required to fill in the blanks by choosing the right word to complete a sentence. Here you will be required to find and fix mistakes in sentences. There are also things like picking a word that means the same as the word provided or the opposite of. Once you are done with the English test, they will tell you the results right away. That's when you know whether you will be proceeding to the final interview. Depending on the time and the number of applicants present, you may do the final interview the same day, or be scheduled for the following day, or just any other day.